and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. BBSM comes down on knees, welcomes government decision on MOI, opposes grants to English schools but softens its stand. Alina Saldana sworn in as minister, portfolios to be allotted on Monday. Sources say Alina to get Mathani's environment. MES college students hold a morcha at Raj Bhavan, protest against delay in declaring results of BCom, demand extension in admissions for higher studies at Goa University. A fishing trawler sunk off the Sada coast, Pandurang Mesta missing, 2 crew members rescued, trawler owner claims a loss up to 7 to 8 lakhs. And big challenges spur on Ivana Furtado. 13-year-old Ivana wins Asian Juniors title and becomes youngest ever Goan woman international master. Now the news in detail. The Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch has softened its stand on MOI issue. They have welcomed government policy on MOI while opposing grants to English schools decision. They have constituted a committee to study the government decision but have not threatened any agitation in near future. Force, on the other hand, has also congratulated Parrikar for his decision.
त्या 9 भागांतले 2 आसात ते ग्रँटी संबंधान इंग्लिश माध्यमाच्या स्कुलांतले हे जर सोडले बाकीचे सगळे मुद्द्यां विशीं सरकारी धोरण आमकां स्वागतार्ह दिसता. कोंकणींतल्यान इंग्लिशींत माध्यम व्हेलें त्या शाळांचें अनुदान चालू उरतलें अशें तातूंत म्हणा. ताका आमचो विरोध आसा. खरेपणी न्यायालयाच्या अवमाना खातीर तांकां शिक्षा जावंक जाय आशिल्ली आनी ती फुडें जावं येता कारण अवमान याचिका फाटीं येवंक ना. आमकां एक दिसता की जाणी कायदो नेम आनी कोर्टाचो अवमान केलो तांकां शिक्षा जावपाक जाय.
हो दोष जो तुम्ही काढला 126 शाळांक अनुदान दिवपाचो तो त्यांचे अनुदान बंद करचे अशी तुमची स्पष्ट मागणी आसा.
हय तर त्याच खातीर दोश म्हणटा न्ही तो आमी. एकाडेमीक ऑथॉरिटी जी सरकार अपॉयंट करता ती पळय माध्यमाचे विशीं कितें धोरण ठरयतली ताजेर सगळें अवलंबून. ताजेरय आमची नदर आसतली. 5 सदस्यांची एक समिती अपॉयंट करपाक मंचाची ह्या धोरणाचो अदीक खोलायेन अभ्यास करतली. सरकाराक त्या प्रमाणे सुचोवणी करतली.
आणि त्या शाळांचे इंग्रजीकरण जर करपाक जाय जाल्यार पालकांक अशें हांयच दाखयल्लें की किमान संख्या मिनिमम जर असली जाल्यार ते इंग्लिश शाळा करपा खातीर मान्यता दिता म्हणून. तातूंतल्यान ही नवी पॉलिसी जी आतां डिक्लेअर जाली तातूंतल्यान गोंयची सुटका केल्ली आसा.
देर इज नो डिस्कशन. तांकां काही गजालीचे पॉयंट जाय आसले हांवें एक्सप्लेन केले जालें. अरे म्हाका हांव एग्री करपाक येवना. I have been with them earlier, so I explained them what is meaning of what I am doing, everything.
Force held the press conference in Madgaon on Thursday. They have formally welcomed government's MOI policy.
Whatever decision has been taken today, I think the Chief Minister has shown that he is a statesman. His personal views has been kept aside and he has considered the view of the entire Goa. Because a small section having their own views, it's a democracy, everybody can make statements, everybody can demand anything. But the broader prospect, important thing is the entire Goa is seized with the matter. It is a majority who has asked for this, and I think it was a wise decision which has been taken to go along with the majority, leaving aside the personal views. So wherever the parent wants, they are free to go. But grants given to additional benefits given to Konkani will definitely benefit. If it benefits, well and good. We don't have any objections to that. But what we were fighting is for an equal playing level field for everybody. And that, according to us, is what is important.
However, convener of Digambar Kamat Get Well Soon group Yugank Naik has issued a press statement. It says The Get Well Soon group has established the My Bus helpline. Those children parents who are forced to convert their medium should not be worried. We have established a My Bus helpline to support and resolve such issues. There is a taluka-wise division of Get Well Soon volunteers. If requested, the identity of the complainant will be protected. The helpline numbers are Kalanand 9823105373 or Yugank 7507388596 or Ame 9049835152 or Advocate Surel 9923748959. The email ID is mybus@yahoo.com. Our reporters Laukik Shilkar, Savya Dias with video journalist Omkar Falari.
BJP MLA of Kortali, Alina Saldana, has been sworn in as a minister on Friday. Governor B.V. Vanchu administered the oath of office to Alina Saldana. Portfolios to the minister will be allotted on Monday. Sources say that Alina will be given environment portfolio, which was earlier handled by Mathani. Parrikar also informed that the monsoon session will begin from 12 July and will go on till 8 August.
हांव अलिना साल्दाना देवाच्या नांवान असो सोपूत घेतां की कायद्यान तयार जालेल्या भारताचे घटनेक हांव विश्वासी आनी आसा आनी हांव घटने कडेन सदांच प्रमाणीत रावतली.
Alina Saldana was accommodated in the Parrikar-led government in place of late Mathani Saldana. Alina Saldana is the second MLA and only female minister in the cabinet. Sources have informed that she would be allotted environment portfolios. But Parrikar is apprehensive about allotting an important portfolio like forest as she lacks political experience. Meanwhile, CM Parrikar informed that the assembly session will begin from July 12th and will go on till 8th August.
The assembly 12th of July. 12 July full assembly. 12 August will go up to 8th because after consulting widow motion, we have decided to have their demands voted also on Friday after private membership. Whatever portfolios are there will be given after consulting her also. Though it is my prerogative, I feel that she should be comfortable. She is new that way. Though she is capable of picking up, I have no doubt on it. Let me consult her. PR Natkarni is the unanimous choice for information commission. Corporation जी आसा पळय ती साधारणपणे फुडल्या 10-12 दिसां भितर सगळी पूर्ण तारीख 8 सर 20 तारीख डेडलाइन धरा. By that time most of the things will be over.
Our reporter in Panji Pratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Falari.
MES college students marched to Raj Bhavan protesting against delay in declaring their BCom results. Youth leader Sunil Kautankar led the morcha by the students. Results of 150 students are being kept on hold. They have demanded extension of admission date for higher degrees. They have asked the governor to intervene in the matter.
Students marched to Raj Bhavan on Friday, protesting against delay in declaring their BCom results. Youth leader Sunil Kautankar led the morcha of the students. The academic council will have a meeting on 15th of June to discuss the issue.
MES कॉलेजीचे जे फायनल इयराचे स्टुडंट्स असली BCom आणि BA तांकां एग्जामीक अपियर जावपाक कॉलेजीन अलाव केली आणि तांकां युनिवर्सिटीन तांची एग्जाम युनिवर्सिटी कंडक्ट करता. युनिवर्सिटीन ती एग्जामूय घेतली पण बाकीच्या सगळ्या कॉलेजीचो रिजल्ट डिक्लेअर केलो. ते भुरग्यांचो रिजल्ट डिक्लेअर करूंक ना. 100-150 स्टुडंट्स आहा ते रिजल्ट तांचो एडअप करून दवरला. आता प्रॉब्लम कितें जाला युनिवर्सिटी रजिस्ट्राराक आमी मेळ्ळे ते म्हणटा की एकाडेमीक कावन्सील 15 तारखेक मिटींग आसा सो तेन्ना पर्यंत आमी सॉल्व करपाक ट्राय करतले म्हणून. हे जावपाक कारणीभूत पयलीं म्हणल्यार MES कॉलेजीची प्रिंसिपल आसा आनी ती भुरग्यांक हेल्प करपाच्या कसल्याच मुडान ना. कित्याक गव्हर्नर इज द चान्सेलर ऑफ द युनिवर्सिटी. वी रिक्वेस्ट हिम टू इंटरवीन इन दीस एंटायर सिनारियो and give extension for the last date for their admission and by then solve their problem. If the attendance is not proper, how are you allowing them to answer the exam?
अटेंडन्स शीट केन्ना धाडला एक्चुअली तेंच्यांनी 30th अटेंडन्स शीट न्यू अटेंडन्स शीट 30th धाडला तेंच्यांनी युनिवर्सिटी सांगता आमकां अटेंडन्स शीट जावकूच ना म्हणून
आनी रूल हा युनिवर्सिटी इफ अटेंडन्स इज नॉट यू कांट इश्यू हॉल टिकेट आमकां दिसलो आमकां अटेंडन्स हा म्हणून आमची हॉल टिकेट मेळ्ळी म्हणून आनी आतां रिजल्ट हेल्ड करून दवरला अशें केन्ना पयलीं जावंक ना आतां कित्याक आमचो अटेंडन्स नाजाल्यार हॉल टिकेट दिवचीच नासलेली सारकें न्हू.
The results are being held up due to lack of attendance. As per the rule, a student should have 75% attendance to be eligible to appear for the examination. Our reporter in Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.